Okay, so we're going to look at a couple of things in this video. We're going to look at Open AI, which obviously has had lots of press coverage and everybody's talking about it. Let's just show you their website. And it's kind of a research place where people are going to start researching using AI writing tools and AI art tools to create things. Now, a lot of the software I've been reviewing on this channel over the last few months has been AI writing software, which uses similar technology, and a lot of that is paid for and subscription. OpenAI, you can actually do a lot of stuff for free. I think where software comes into its own is when it links it up with other tools. For example, some of the AI writing software I use also enables you to do SEO. So you'll generate the AI text, it'll change it then so that you can appear in the search engine rankings. But yeah, fascinating. It is, just looking at their website. This is the DALL-E 2, which is the artwork, and it creates, unique AI generated artwork. If you type in, a horse, an astronaut riding a horse in space, it'll create something like that, and it can be photorealistic or it can be drawings. And I had a bit of fun with one of my YouTube shorts. It was on my TikTok actually, where I, used an app to create some portraits of me, and they came out a bit wrong. So the reason I'm showing you that is that Canva, which I use to do my thumbnails, has obviously just released. Let's have a look. Where are we? Find the right page. Their text to image feature. Now, I presume all of these companies are using the, OpenAI thing. I'm not sure they pay for it and they do a deal. So, I want to create a thumbnail now. I can type anything in the box in Canva. So if you've already got Canva, you should try this out. So I want to create a thumbnail background, which is lots of, what should we have? Lots of pizzas. Don't know why I've just thought pizzas and ice cream. Don't know why that just came to me. I'm not making a video about pizzas and ice cream, and I'm actually going to use this as a background for a YouTube thumbnail. And within Canva, so this is where I think that a lot of this AI is going to be implemented, that it'll be existing software you use. And I don't think this is Canva Pro. I'll leave you the link so you can try Canva Pro in the description of this video, but I think you can try this out for free while they're working on it. And it creates pictures of pizza and ice cream. Now, what they're saying with all of these AIs is they're evolving the technology. So the more people do searches and research, the better these images will get. Let's try something else as well. Let's just pause while I think, rather than doing something bad. Let's just see if it works for video. I'm not sure. I've just said a video of a car on a beach, and it says video. Let's see if this works. I don't think the video is going to work yet, that you can create AI-generated videos, but let's give it a try. Keep on watching. I'm going to show you how you can do this if you use Canva, and I think you can do it on the free version. I'll show you how to find the app. Here we go. It's taking a bit of time. Maybe it is creating a video. Let's have a look. Well, I've just started. I think these are just photos, but let's just check. It's still created. It would be fantastic if it actually moved, but I don't think it will. No, it's not. I thought that was too good to be true. But these are the pictures, so there we go. I just typed in video of car on the beach, and these will be copied. What happens with these videos is that that's a generic car. That's an AA. That car is not a Vauxhall or a Ford. As you can see, it's a generic car, so you're not going to get in trouble if you use these pictures. So, fascinating this. I mean, I've just used it there for a YouTube thumbnail. But you could use it to create any of your artwork, and it's within Canva. So I'll just show you very quickly in this video how you can access it. So if you're familiar with your Canva screen here, you scroll down to Discover Apps, and it is the most popular app. It's called Text to Image. Click on Text to Image. You can use an existing design or using a new design. Then it asks you what you want to make. You might want to make a presentation, and it opens up. You type in what you want to create. A child on a laptop in a school. And you press create. So, I mean, this is, if you're doing a blog article and you need to get some pictures quick about your subject, you know, if you are making your artwork and you want to make, well, just do some, rather than having to go through stock images and make sure that you're not using something that's copyrighted. These are AI photos, which are free to use. And they're not bad, are they? All right, they're not quite, you can tell they're not quite, hang on, that one looks a bit better. They don't quite look like stock photos, do they? They look like they've been, you can, yeah, that was the best one, isn't it, really? See, that one looks a little bit fakey, doesn't it? And that one, but that one looks really realistic, and it's going to get better over time. I fear that if you've got a stock image company, people aren't going to be using you much longer. But apart from that, this AI revolution. So the things for you to check out before I go, that's just on Canva. I showed you how to use it, but also check out, because you can do these things, you know, within Open AI. There's the website, openai.com. Just check it out. It's fascinating. All right, cheers everyone. Just a quick video. Just thought I'd show you that. Yeah, fascinating times with AI artwork. And as I say, Canva, the subscription is not expensive, and you can do it within Canva. Cheers everyone. See you soon. Well, I'll just jump out and say, don't forget to, yeah, I've not made these videos for a bit. I've had a week or so off. But thanks for subscribing to the channel. And the link if you want to try Canva, it's free Canva, but Canva Pro. The link if you want to try Canva Pro on a free trial is in the description. And I will see you next time. Cheers, everyone.